I am recording the sunset and I'm watching Chris getting undressed. You look so happy. Hi, Chloe. Come on. You can do this. Go on, Chris.
What, a front flip?
Yes. Come on. You can do it. You can do it.
I had corn in my face.
Right, ready?
Where did I put my
Put
shit?
it there. Are you not going to do it? Are you going to pussy out?
No.
Hey!
And again!
Alright, ready?
And again!
Oh my god, how many times are you going to do it?
And again! And again!
Oh my god.
And again!
You're
How
gonna
many
lose
is
your
that?
That's 4, I think. Or 3. Right.
Again.
5! 6!
Oh, that was my face! I just like need myself in the face. 6, yeah?
Go on, 6. You got 4 more. 7! Come on, you can do this, Chris. You're at 8, number 8. Come on, number 8. Number 8! Keep it going. You're so drunk, it's so funny. Chloe! Get over here. Come on.
2 more, yeah?
2 more. 9! 1 more, Chris. Come on, you can do this. Oh. Hey! I love you. 1 more. You can do it.
Yeah.
Your shirt's back there. But you can do it. Hey! Woo!
Yeah!
Who did it?
Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah!
Chris did it. 10 right here, right now. Well done. That shit's going.